Hi, it's Chris with Florida Drone Supply, and here we have the new DJI Inspire 3. As we know, many of you are still waiting to get your hands on one of these, so we decided it would be ideal to go ahead and show you how to set it up before your first flight. First things first, let's make sure your remote and batteries are fully charged and ready to go. The Inspire 3 included an impressive charging dock that fits perfectly within the case so that it's never left behind. So before you decide to take your flight, make sure you give your battery some time to charge up. The intelligent batteries and the remote controller internal battery require activation before first use. The remote controller cannot be powered on before the internal battery is activated. Insert the intelligent batteries into the charging hub by folding down the side panels, revealing the battery slots, which can hold up to 8 batteries. This RC Plus remote is already linked to the aircraft when it's purchased together as part of a combo. The remote does require activation before its first use, and a solid internet connection is required for this activation. Press and hold the power button to power on the remote controller, and follow the on-screen prompts to activate it. While your batteries are charging, this would be a good time to go ahead and install the propellers on the Inspire 3. The Inspire 3 uses 4 propellers, and since 6 come with your kit, you could set 2 aside for later as your backup. After aligning the propeller and the motor installation mark, respectively insert the 4 propellers into the motors and then press and rotate them to lock them into position. Make sure the quick release propeller adapter is rotated to install in place and that the propeller adapter springs back with the top of the motor shaft. Once your batteries are charged, you can go ahead and insert the 2 batteries needed in the drone. Remove the protective covers from the aircraft battery compartment before inserting the batteries and make sure they are firmly mounted. Next, click the power button 5 times to enable the landing gear, which will raise the drone up so now that you can install the all-new Zenmuse X9 8K Air camera with the lens of your choosing. The X9 camera is compatible with a variety of different lenses, so you can choose which one best suits your needs. At this point, the DJI Pro SSD can now be installed into the aircraft. The indicator light on the Pro SSD should turn on, indicating that it is correctly inserted. Once you have the lens attached, go ahead and power on your remote. The Inspire 3 requires activation before first use. So after powering on the aircraft and the remote, follow the on-screen prompts to activate the aircraft using DJI Pilot 2. And make sure you have a good and solid internet connection for this process. There may also be a firmware update when you get everything powered up and activated, and we do recommend that you do this whenever you are prompted to do so. This will ensure that you're getting the best possible flight experience. Once you are able to enter the camera view, your aircraft is officially ready to take flight. The next video will be our official test flight, so stay tuned and feel free to leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about this drone or the many others that we sell, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. Thank you again for watching, and as always, have a great day.